Hey everyone, it's Your Name from emgotv1. Today we're diving into a time capsule of pure joy 1950s comedy films. These movies were more than just entertainment. They were a reflection of a society eager for laughter and lightheartedness after years of hardship. These movies weren't afraid to be silly, to embrace slapstick, and to find humor in everyday situations. But beyond the laughs, they also celebrated love, family, and the simple joys of life. So grab your popcorn, settle in, and let's rediscover the charm of 1950s comedy together. First up, we have the iconic Some Like It Hot. This Billy Wilder masterpiece throws us headfirst into the roaring 20s, but with a twist. Two musicians, played by Jack Lemmon and Tony Curtis, witness a mob hit and have to disappear. Their solution? Disguise themselves as women and join an all-female band. The film is a whirlwind of mistaken identities, hilarious situations, and witty banter. It's a reminder that sometimes the best way to escape danger is to embrace the unexpected, even if it means donning a dress and a wig. From the fast-paced world of gangsters, we move to a gentler form of humor with Harvey. This heartwarming film introduces us to Elwood P. Dowd, a kind-hearted man whose best friend is an invisible rabbit named Harvey. Harvey celebrates imagination and kindness, reminding us that a little whimsy goes a long way. And what's more wholesome than a wedding? Father of the Bride injects this joyous occasion with relatable humor. Spencer Tracy shines as Stanley T. Banks, a loving father overwhelmed by wedding chaos. From endless guest lists to extravagant expenses and inevitable in-law drama, Stanley experiences every father's nightmare with hilarious consequences. Father of the Bride celebrates family, love, and the bittersweet joy of watching your children grow up. Chapter 4: The Lavender Hill Mob, Mischief and Morality. Now let's talk about a heist with a difference. The Lavender Hill Mob, starring Alec Guinness, follows Henry Holland, a mild-mannered bank clerk planning the perfect gold heist. The Lavender Hill Mob is brimming with wit, charm, and a surprising amount of heart. It's a reminder that even in the pursuit of our wildest dreams, it's important to hold on to our integrity and remember that sometimes the greatest treasures aren't made of gold. Chapter 5: The 7-Year Itch, Scratching the Surface of Desire. Marriage, suburbia, and temptation collide in The 7-Year Itch, a film that offers a lighthearted but thought-provoking look at relationships and desires. Tom Ewell plays Richard Sherman, a husband left to his own devices when his wife and son head off for a summer vacation. The 7-Year Itch is a classic example of how 1950s comedies managed to tackle potentially scandalous topics with a light touch, leaving audiences both entertained and pondering life's complexities. Chapter 6: Gentlemen prefer blondes, diamonds, dreams, and dazzling duos. Get ready for a double dose of glamour and giggles with Gentlemen Prefer Blondes. This musical comedy pairs Marilyn Monroe and Jane Russell as showgirls navigating love, ambition, and the pursuit of happiness. With catchy tunes, dazzling costumes, and witty banter, Gentlemen Prefer Blondes is a celebration of female friendship, ambition, and the power of embracing your inner diva. Lorelai and Dorothy remind us that it's okay to go after what you want, to embrace your femininity, and to always support your best friend, especially when diamonds are involved. Chapter 7: The Court Jester, All Hail the Accidental Hero. Enter a world of mistaken identities, witty wordplay, and comedic chaos with The Court Jester. Danny Kaye shines as Hubert Hawkins, a carnival performer caught in political intrigue. With clever wordplay and unforgettable musical numbers, The Court Jester is a comedic masterclass. Danny Kaye's energy and genius make this film a timeless classic, sure to make you laugh. Chapter 8: Mr. Hulot's Holiday Vacation, Hulot Style. Sometimes, the funniest stories are the ones that unfold without a word. Mr. Hulot's Holiday, a French masterpiece by Jacques Tati, is a testament to the universal language of physical comedy. Tati himself stars as Monsieur Hulot, a well-meaning but hopelessly awkward man who sets out on a seaside vacation. The beauty of Mr. Hulot's Holiday lies in its simplicity. It's a film that reminds us to find joy in the everyday, to embrace the unexpected, and to never underestimate the comedic potential of a wobbly deck chair. Chapter 9, Monkey Business, A Potion for Laughter. Cary Grant, Marilyn Monroe, and a youth serum, pure comedic gold. Barnaby Fulton, a chemist, discovers a potion that reverses aging. From chimpanzee antics to hilarious misunderstandings, it's a classic screwball comedy. Sometimes the best discoveries are unexpected, bringing youthful exuberance. Chapter 10, Roman Holiday. A princess, a reporter, and a city of charms. Roman Holiday captures the magic of unexpected love and Rome's timeless beauty. Audrey Hepburn shines as Princess Anne, a young royal yearning for freedom. Gregory Peck stars as Joe Bradley, an American reporter who discovers Anne's secret. Roman Holiday is a timeless tale of two souls connecting in a beautiful city. Wootro, That's a Wrap. The enduring charm of 1950s comedy. From slapstick to satire, romance to whimsy, 1950s comedy films offered a much-needed escape for audiences seeking laughter and light-hearted entertainment. These films weren't just about telling jokes, they were about celebrating life's simple joys, the importance of family and friendship, and the power of finding humor in everyday situations. Don't forget to share your favorite 1950s comedy in the comments below and subscribe to emgotv1 for more trips down memory lane. Which is your favorite? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to emgotv1 for more movie history fun.